What is going on, guys? Welcome to another training. So today I'm going to show you how to do affiliate marketing if you are a complete beginner. Well, affiliate marketing means promoting other people's products, and we make a sale through our affiliate links, we can make a commission. The first thing that we need to do is to find a main core product to promote, and there are three there are three niches that we can utilize to promote products. For example, the make money niche, the health and fitness, and the relationships. So check this out. If you go to this website, clickbank.com, you can find many products to promote. For example, we have here products in the health and fitness niche, e-business and e-marketing, which is the make money online niche. We have as well in the spirituality, new age, alternative beliefs, self-help, home and garden. And we have a variety of niches that we can promote. And if I click on all, you can see that we have languages, self and help, politics, parenting, green products. So this is a website in which you can go right now and find products to promote. Some important things that you need to know is that before promoting a product, you need to know, first of all, if that product is going to help people. So that is the main thing, because we don't want to promote products that are bad quality. We need to promote high quality products. That is why I promote basically high ticket products like this one. For example, Free Accelerator. This is a high ticket training. So this training teaches people how to start an affiliate business from scratch using the 5-second silent method, which is a traffic strategy. Another example is Legendary Marketer. This is the 15-day challenge. The Legendary Marketer is a well-known product in the make money online niche, specifically to start learning about how to start making an online business about affiliate marketing. Now, the way to promote a high ticket product is through an automated sales system. So what is that? So that is a sales funnel. A sales funnel is a series of steps to guide your visitors through the entire sales process. So basically, it has an opt-in page or a capture page, and we use that page to capture a name and email. So this is my ClickFunnels account, and I use this software to build my sales funnel. And I'm going to show you a funnel that I have been using for many months, and I'm collecting leads with this system. So check this out. This is the opt-in page. So the elements of an opt-in page is a good title or a good hook. So that is one of the most important things, because if you don't have a good hook, it's going to be really difficult for people to put their information. So in this case, I'm telling people that, hey, if you want to get access to the 7 steps to becoming a super affiliate ebook, so you are going to learn 7 proven steps to building a 6-figure online business from scratch if you download this ebook. And here the ebook is the lead magnet. The lead magnet is something that you give in exchange for the email, because it's really hard for people to put their information if you are not going to give something. So in this case, when people click this button, free ebook download, I can collect the name, the email, and if they want, they can write their phone number. Once I have that information, they are going to go to the second page, in which I tell them, hey, please check your email because I'm going to send this ebook. And then they will go to the bridge page. And basically this page is bridging the gap between the customer and the company. Because we as an affiliate, we are showing the information to our prospect. And that is why I have recorded a simple video inside of this page, because I'm telling people the next steps they need to take so they can start learning the skills about how to make money with affiliate marketing. And I tell them that if they click this button, get started today, they will go to my affiliate link. And if they buy, I can make a commission in the front end. But not all the people are going to buy at the first interaction. That is why it's important to build a nurturing sequence. And I use this software, GetResponse, for that task. So if I click on tools and then automation, I'm going to show you my automation workflows, and these are email sequences to nurture my email list. So check this out. Inside of this email sequence, Freedom Accelerator, I have right now 124 people going through this nurturing sequence. And here, when someone subscribes to my list, Freedom Accelerator, GetResponse is going to send these 2 emails automatically. The first one is a welcome message, and the next one is my own story. I am telling people my own story when I started with affiliate marketing. Then GetResponse is going to wait for 1 day to send the message number 2. Then it's going to wait for another day to send the message number 3. And these free messages, number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4, these are my free affiliate marketing trainings. And then GetResponse is going to wait for another day to send the next message, which is a message to promote my YouTube channel. So people are going to find a YouTube link inside of that email. And as you can see, by utilizing this strategy, we can promote our social media, we can promote our main core offer, and also supporting offers like this one, TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a software that I use to do keyword research for my YouTube channel, and it has helped me to get to 1,000 subscribers. So then I promote the 72-hour challenge, which is my main core offer. So check this out. Here, Secrets of Success. See, this is the latest training of Russell Brunson about mindset. And inside of this value email, people are not going to find any links because I'm not promoting anything with this email. I'm just giving valuable information to my email list. And that is how we can build this automated sales system, by having the opt-in page and then a nurturing sequence to promote the main core offer, and also supporting offers plus our social media channels, for example YouTube, and give valuable information to our email list. That is how we can do affiliate marketing. And this is a great way, because once we have collected the email, basically it's like having our own audience. So I can go here, click on email marketing, and send an email right now to promote any product. That is why it's important to promote high quality products, because it's important to have the know, like, and trust factor. And we're going to get that know, like, and trust if we give valuable information and promote high quality products. And that is basically how we can do affiliate marketing, and this is a good strategy. For example, if you are a complete beginner and if you don't know how to build this automated sales system, so inside of the 72-hour challenge, this is the love ticket product of Jonathan Montoya. So here in day number 2, he teaches a new strategy on how to build this sales system by utilizing his software. Let me show you the software. So the software is funnelfreedom.io. Basically, the magic of Funnel Freedom is that inside of this page, Funnel Freedom, so exactly this page, and then I'm going to click here on a button, to go to my affiliate links. So the magic of this software is this page, because here I'm promoting the 72-hour challenge by just copying and pasting my affiliate links in these spaces. I'm promoting Freedom Accelerator, Funnel Freedom, which is the software, Secrets of Success, Legendary Marketer, System.io. System.io is a funnel builder. GetResponse is the software for email marketing. Udemy for solo ads, Repurpose.io, vidIQ, and I'm promoting all of these products with the Done For You system inside of this software by just copying and pasting my affiliate links inside of this page, and then we need to click on update affiliate links, and once we have done that process, we need to start sending traffic to the funnel, which is this funnel, mapping your 9 to 5 exit strategy. And basically, as you can see, so instead of utilizing ClickFunnels and GetResponse to build by ourselves the automated sales system, we can utilize funnelfreedom.io and use the Done For You system that is inside of this software. And this is the opt-in page that I have been using, and I'm driving traffic to this page. And when people click this button, I can collect the name, the email, their phone number, and when they click Get Instant Access, Funnel Freedom is going to start sending emails that I didn't write. So, and also it's going to give a free course that I didn't create. So we are utilizing Jonathan Montoya's free course, and we are giving away this information for the email. And this course is a complete course about how to quit your 9 to 5 job by cloning a 7-figure business, which is basically the Done For You system inside of Funnel Freedom. And when people go to this course and go below the lessons, they will find these buttons. And if they buy this, and if they click these buttons, they will go to my affiliate links, because I have already set up all my affiliate links inside of this software. So check this out. If you see here, when I put here my mouse, that is my affiliate link for the 72-hour challenge. And we are promoting all of these products by giving away this free course. Now, let me show you quickly the automation workflows, because inside of Funnel Freedom, we have the nurturing sequence already to be sent to our email list. So if I go to workflow, you're going to see that I have here the name, the number of people. Okay, I need to click on white label course. So I have the name, the status, the number of people that I have enrolled on this email sequence. For example, in the welcome sequence, I have 21. In the first sequence of 60 days, I have 14 people. And basically, when someone's put their information on that opt-in page that I will show it to you, Funnel Freedom is going to start sending all of these emails. So first of all, it's going to send a welcome message with the course access. Then it's going to wait for 1 day, and it's going to send the message number 2, which is the 72-hour challenge. So check this out. Right now, I have 1 people waiting in this step. Then Funnel Freedom is going to wait for another day to send a personal email backstory. And inside of the emails, people are going to find my affiliate links are going to find my 14 affiliate links that are inside of this page, Funnel Freedom. Also are going to find Jonathan Montoya's videos, and below the videos there are buttons, and if people click that buttons, they will be clicking my affiliate links. So let me show you quickly. If I go to marketing, then trigger links and analyze, because I want to show you an example of a landing page that people will get access when they click the links inside of the emails. So this landing page is for promoting GetResponse, the email marketing software. So they will get access to this page. We have a title, so how Jonathan makes $1,000 per month with GetResponse affiliate program. So people are going to click this video. They are going to watch Jonathan Montoya's videos, and he has his results in the showing it in the video. And then if people want to get access to GetResponse, they can click this button, and if they click this button, they will go to my affiliate link for GetResponse. And that is how we are promoting all of these products: Funnel Freedom, Legendary Marketer, Repurpose Data Job, TubeBuddy, Udemy, Bizla. And this is a great way to promote and to start an affiliate business if you don't know how to build this entire ecosystem by yourself, or if you don't know where to find high quality products to promote. And if you are struggling, for example, to find traffic to your system, you can go through your own free course, Mapping Your 9-to-5 Exit Strategy, to learn how to drive traffic to your system. Or another example is to take the 72-hour challenge and go to day number 3, the 3 secret traffic methods for fast results, to know how to start driving traffic to your sales funnel. And basically, I'm utilizing the system. I copy and pasted this 7-figure done for you system, and I'm utilizing as well. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel. That's it. Talk to you soon, and God bless.